Telerik TeamPulse provides teams with the flexibility and visibility necessary to follow any Agile process. It supports Scrum, Kanban, as well as any custom process, so you can use it the way that best matches the needs of your team. TeamPulse makes Agile project management with Scrum as easy as 1, 2, 3. The task board is great for your daily stand-up meetings. It provides an easy way for you to track progress, update status, assign work, or edit tasks on the fly. Preparing for your planning meeting? The backlog view allows you to easily prioritize your work using drag and drop. And thanks to the multi-project support, you can display the work items from various projects in one view and prioritize them against each other. This is especially useful if you have one team working on many projects at the same time. And once the work has been prioritized, the team can gather for a planning meeting. Here, from one screen, you can plan your iterations for several projects at the same time. Scheduling a story from the backlog to an iteration is very simple. Just drag and drop it. The team's capacity is conveniently displayed along with each iteration's details. So every time you add a story, the tool tells you if you have the ability to work on more tasks in the iteration or you should move it to the next one. From here, you can also plan your upcoming releases. Finally, the view provides a shortcut to the burn down report, so you can analyze the progress of your current iteration to better understand how much work is done, how much work is left to do, and what is forecasted to be completed based on historical data. And if anyone pushes unplanned work to the team, it won't remain unnoticed. TeamPulse is also great for Kanban teams. The Kanban board allows you to visualize your workflow and focus on continuous delivery. From here, you can balance workload by setting the work in progress limits for each state. So every time you are below or above the set limits, the board gives you an alert. Also, TeamPulse supports Scrumban, so you can see the Kanban board for any iteration of your choice. But we realize every team has its own rules and best practices, so TeamPulse is flexible enough to accommodate whatever process you are using. You can define your own states for each of your work items, user stories, bugs, or tasks. You can also set the transition conditions between those states. Sign up today for a free 30-day trial of TeamPulse at telerik.com.